Alright guys, so today I wanted to do a unboxing and review on my new Movo complete smartphone video kit. So I don't know about you guys, but like most of what I do requires me to be on camera, on video, or I just need like good lighting or a good mic. And you can never go wrong with a tripod. So let's see what we got here. Been excited for this package. Very nice. So, nice casing on it to keep it all in place. Got your manual there. Quick start guide. I'll just show you how it looks in here. It's very, very well put together. Show you this first, Mike. Very cool. This tripod. Nice. So we can get this to turn on. Probably need to charge it. Oh, there we go. Very nice, very nice. Yep. The holder for it. Oh, it's got like different ones for it. Okay, very cool. Then you got your auxiliary, a micro USB, which I believe is to charge the light. And then last but not least, your auxiliary to Lightning. I still have the iPhone with the Lightning on it. And then another auxiliary cable right here. So I'm gonna set this all up and see how it all looks, okay? Okay, so the setup process is actually very simple. Everything just screws onto place. You do have the option of just putting the light and the microphone together or separate. All right, guys, so I got it fully set up. I'm literally using the light, the microphone, the tripod. I'm using it all right now. So if you're looking for an awesome starter kit for any kind of video that you're shooting or anything like that, I highly recommend this one by Movo. Definitely a 10 out of 10.